to the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
Alright, welcome back to Funny Computer Up. So in this video I want to show you how to create YouTube playlist is really important. It helps you to organize your videos so that in the essence that any of your viewers, when they are through watching one particular video, YouTube will show them your next video. Okay, so to create a playlist, let me go over to my YouTube. This is my YouTube channel. Okay, this is home. When you click on home, you're going to see a lot of videos from everybody, just a public videos. Okay, this is for shorts. Going to see shorts. Okay, this plus sign, now I've showed you their works. And what you want to do, I'm going to click on this U at this stream. I click on it. Okay, once I click on you, you're going to see where you're going to see your settings, a lot of things about your channel. Maybe you want to see all the videos on your channel, you just click on view channel up here. You're going to see all the videos that are on your channel and a lot. Okay, so I want to create a playlist. There's a lot of videos, even the ones I just dropped 4 minutes ago. I've not added them to a playlist, especially my YouTube. Okay, YouTube management videos, they're not on playlist. Only the ones that are AI videos that are on playlist. AI videos, ChatGPT and all that. If I click here now, or let's see, if I click here, okay, I'll just click here. You're going to observe. Can you see below? Can you see? Okay, these are the playlist. These are videos that are attached, okay, with this video. Okay, so to create a playlist, let me click on this part again so that it will show off this place. Okay, so once you are here, let me turn off this so that I will not entertain calls and all that. Okay, so once you are here, the next thing you're going to do is just, you can see playlist here. You say this part now is watch later. Let's say for example, you are on YouTube and you're watching videos and you're able to see a video that you want to watch, but obviously you don't have the time. Okay, you can just decide to click on the video and set it to watch later. Okay, so that once you come over to your channel, you just click here. Okay, then you now open the video and then start watching it. Okay, so I can decide to make it to be on public or even on private. If you can see, it's on private. Okay, let me click here again. Let me click on new. This is playlist. For you to be able to to create a playlist, just scroll this way. You can see this is the first playlist that I've created, which I've told you, AI mastery. If I click on it now, you can see, can you see now, these are a lot of videos that are related to AI, ChatGPT and all that. So I just added them all together. If you're able to follow me when I did video on how to upload YouTube videos, how to upload video on YouTube, I showed you that when I was uploading it, I started to add playlists. Okay, so if for example now, if I did another video on AI now, or let's say I did another video on ChatGPT, once I know that this thing is related to AI or whatever, I will decide to add that particular video to a playlist. I will add it to this playlist. This is the name of the playlist, AI masteries. Let me go back. If you want to create a playlist, depending on the video that you are creating, let's say for example you are doing tutorial videos. For example, me, I'm doing tutorial videos. This particular channel is actually for tech tutorials. Okay, digital skills precisely. Okay, so let's say I have a videos on video editing, or let's say graphic design. Okay, instead of me to, all the videos will be all together. Okay, once you come over to our channel, you're going to see all the videos. Okay, but I will go, if for example there are lots of videos on video editing, let's say 20 videos on video editing and also another 20 videos on graphic design, I can decide to create a playlist so that all the 20 videos that I've created, that I've created for mobile video editing, I will put them all together so that I can just make all to be on one playlist. Just create a playlist, name it mobile video editing, then create another one, you name it graphic design. Okay, that thing helps you. Let's say for example now you want to send that particular videos on, okay, and maybe that particular video you want to send is just a video that is on video editing only, okay, and those videos is up to 20, and all of them are all about video editing, that when someone watch all the videos, he or she will be able to know more about video editing. So instead of you to keep on, instead of you to even go over to your channel and start looking out for those videos and start copying the links, being that while you are uploading the video or even after uploading the video, that you're able to add those videos to a playlist, you can just come over to this playlist like this one I've just created now. I can just click on this playlist now. I'll click on share. If I click on this share button now, I'm not sharing only one video, I'm sharing the playlist. Okay, I can decide to click on this share now and copy the link, okay, and share it to a friend. So once that friend was open that link, that friend will be able to see all the videos. It's not just one particular video that I just shared to that friend, because what I shared is the playlist link. If you click here now, it means that you are sharing one particular video. Can you see under this face swap? If I click on this three dots, it means I want to share video on face swap only. But being I am on playlist, if I click here, it means that I want to share videos, that playlist itself. So once anybody clicks on that link, that person, we are going to see all the videos that are under that playlist. So this thing that is there is download. If I click here now, it means that I will start downloading all the videos that are on this AI Masteries playlist. Okay, if I have up to 20 videos here, once I click on this icon here, this download icon here, you observe that 20 videos will start downloading on my YouTube library. Kitchen is for editing, this one is for adding. If I want to add, I can click here, add more videos to my playlist. It says search videos for your playlist. So if I have more videos, I can say I can search for videos and then add them to my playlist. Okay, this one is play, or if you click on play, or after this one, the next one will just come up another. So that is it. So I want to show you how to create yours. So let me go back again. So to create yours is very easy. Just come down here. Can you see this place where you can see new playlist? I click on it. I have a video where I've uploaded and it's on YouTube management. So I want to create a playlist for it so that I can add up all the videos that are under YouTube management. All of them will be together. So under this title, I can name it YouTube management. Okay, then under visibility, it will it's just for me to know it's just for me to either make the videos to be public, or the playlist itself. If I want the playlist to be public, I can change it to public, but if I want it to be private, that means only me can access the playlist, then I'll leave it on private. But you need to understand this, even if I make this playlist to be on private, okay, being that those videos that are added on that playlist are not on private, okay, being that those videos visibility is not on private, those videos everybody can see those videos. Once those videos are on public and yet I added it on a playlist that is private, okay, the reason why is this: if it's on private, nobody will be able to see that playlist. But if it's on public, everybody that comes over to your channel and try to go deep inside your channel and check your playlist, that person will be able to see your playlist. That person will be able to see YouTube management playlist, because I changed it to public. Okay, so but if it's on private, anybody cannot see it except me. The same thing if it's on unlisted, it means that it's only those that I was able to share the link of that playlist. I believe you're able to understand now that playlist itself has its own link, while each of the videos that are inside the playlist has its own link. So each of the videos that you added on a playlist can be on public, but at the same time you can decide to add up those videos, maybe 20 videos, add them together, make it all of them to be on one particular playlist. and then make that playlist to be on private, that is only you that will be able to access those playlists. But some of you now maybe start asking me, okay, being that those videos are public, then no need of we looking out for the playlist. Yes, the more reason why you use that playlist is because you want to organize your videos. Okay, because let's say for example now you did a video, let's say this playlist now that I'm creating on YouTube management. So being that it's on YouTube management, then I did a video today, I upload maybe I upload 5 today, then after a month I upload 2, after another month I upload different video that is not on YouTube management, then after 3 months I now upload videos that is on YouTube management again, then after 5 months, then let's say for example new theme comes up on YouTube, then I decide to make the video, then I upload it again. Can you see now all the videos are now scattered? Can you see now? So but when I was able to create a playlist, even if in 10 years to come and there is a changes on YouTube and I decide to show my audience this is how to handle these issues, okay, these are updates from YouTube, okay, this is how to go about it. So once that thing is related to YouTube management stuff, so whenever I create those such videos, what I need to do is that I need to also upload that video on YouTube management playlist, okay, so that anybody that is undergoing YouTube management videos or courses, that person will be able to access that new video too. So that is it. I believe you're able to understand more reasons why you need playlists. So once you are through, I would like this page to be on public for now. I click on public, then if I want to collaborate, oh, I've removed it, then let's start again. YouTube management, then public, collaborate. If I want to collaborate with anybody, I click on collaborate so that anybody can use it and all that, but I don't want it, let me just leave it. I click on create. Can you see, guys? So as it is now, can you see there is no video on it? It's a YouTube management by Funny Computer Hub 1. Then like I've told you, this is for sharing, and once you click here you'll be able to share the link. So if I share this link now, any video that I added on this playlist, anybody that has the link will be able to see it, even being that that video is also on public. So anybody that don't even have the link but was able to go over to my playlist section, that person will be able to see the videos that are under YouTube management playlist. So let me, if you want to add videos, you click on add videos. Okay, so you can start to search for a video. Let's say easy way to upload shorts. But guys, this way I'm trying to add this video is a very long way. Okay, so the best and easy way to do that is just once you be able to create a video, just go back. Okay, open your videos, just go over to your YouTube management, your YouTube Studio app. Okay, just go over to your YouTube Studio app, because when you're adding your videos, it's always good to add it to playlist immediately. But whenever you are through adding your video, you're not able to add it to playlist, you can decide to, even while I'm on this, I can click on these 3 dots, click on edit. Can you see edit? I click on edit. Okay, can you see? I click on add playlist. This thing is all about how to upload shorts, so it should be in YouTube management. So I click on add playlist. Can you see now? I have the first one, I have YouTube management, so I check this box. Okay, can you see? So even if this video now, if I want this video to also be in AI Masteries playlist, I'll also check this box, but I don't want it, because I want all the videos that will be under AI Masteries playlist to be YouTube that are related to AI. Okay, videos that are related to AI. So once you have checked it, click on done. Can you see here now under playlist? Can you see here now YouTube management? I click on save. So once you have to make sure you're able to save it. So this one too, I click on this, click on edit, I come here, playlist, YouTube management, save. Okay, I have other videos on YouTube management. Yeah, this one too, playlist. So when I was adding it, can you see I've not been able to create it. So let me also show you another way to do that. I believe I've not introduced you to this application, YouTube Studio. I showed you the website version, but this is the app version. Okay, the Android application version. When you click on it, this is how it looks like. As a YouTuber, you always need to have it. This is your dashboard. Going to see a lot. Okay, so this is the content. I'm still going to do a video on explain all these things for you. Okay, so I want to use this one to add the last video on playlist. So this is the last video, how to upload videos on YouTube. So I click here. I can just click on this, or I even click here. Okay, click on edit, or I'll just click on this video itself. Click on this thumbnail. Can you see how it is? You come here. Can you see this pen icon up here? Click on the pen icon. I'm just showing you the long way. Okay, cool. So can you see now? It's a editors, public, a lot of things. To add to playlist, I click on it. I select YouTube management. Click on done. Click on done. Okay, so this is also how to add thumbnail. Remember I told you on one of the videos, I told you how to add thumbnails. Let's say you are uploading your videos and your thumbnails are not ready yet, but you went ahead to upload your videos, or even your thumbnails are ready, but when you are uploading it you forgot to add your thumbnails. You can still open YouTube Studio. This is the app. You can still open YT Studio. Just go over to Play Store. You're going to see it, YT Studio. Okay, open it. This is how to add it. So once you're able to open it, this is what you're going to see. You click on content, select any of the videos that you want. Okay, this is a new interface of YouTube. Now when you want to click on view, or it should just show you the vertical interface of all the videos that you have. So let's say I want to change the thumbnail of this video, or you want to upload a thumbnail of a video. Okay, let's assume this video now does not have a thumbnail. I click on it. You come here. Can you see up here? This is edit tab icon. This is share. Okay, this last one is for you to view the video on YouTube. So being, this is not our YouTube, this is YT Studio. Our YouTube icon is this. Can you see this? Our YouTube icon, this is YT Studio. Why this thing is YT Music. Okay, so if I click on this first one that has a symbol of YouTube icon on it, it will lead me to YouTube and then start playing the video. Okay, so let's say you are on your YouTube, here you are here. Okay, and you want to watch the videos. So this is what you're going to click on. So if you want to share this video to someone, just click on this one. Then I want to edit it. I click on this. Okay, that pencil icon. Once you click on that pencil icon, remember I want to add thumbnail, right? I click on this pencil icon too. I click on it, this one that is by this side. Click on it. Then it will not open up this part. So being I want to add thumbnail. Okay, this is just a picture extract from the video you just added. So you can select anyone that you like. Okay, but obviously guys, picture extracts are not always correct, so it's always good for you to create a thumbnail for any of your videos. So being that I have a thumbnail that I want to add on it, though guys we don't have a thumbnail, but I'm going to use another different thing to use as a thumbnail. So let's say you have your own thumbnail. Okay, what you're going to click on custom thumbnail. Click on it and then go over to where the thumbnail is. Search for the video, search for the design that you actually made for your thumbnail. Okay, and use it for your thumbnail. Let's say for example I want to use this thing as my thumbnail. I click on it. Okay, remember this is not the size of YouTube thumbnail, so that is why you observe it's not showing well. Okay, but let's say you just decided to use it. So once you're able to add it this way, the next thing you're going to do is just click on done. Click on done. Click on save again. Click save. Okay, can you see we are good to go? Let me go back. Can you see now that video? Can you see now? Can you see the thumbnail has been added? Even if I go over to my YouTube now, go over to YouTube, refresh, you scroll down, you're not able to see the old ones. Can you see now? Can you see? So that is it. That is really how to add a thumbnail. That is how to add a thumbnail. So if you have any question, feel free to comment it down on the comment section. And if you're yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, kindly smash the subscription button below this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Once you click on that subscription button, click on it again. Okay, click on the bell and then turn it on so that it will be on all the videos, so that anytime we drop any video, you will get a notification from YouTube that we have uploaded an amazing video. All right, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.